All right, and welcome back. Earlier in the program, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Anita Keys about the importance of National Ag Week, which is now underway.
Yeah, now she is joining us with a fun recipe that showcases beef. In this segment, we learn about how to make a crispy burger wrap.
Well, we are back now with a recipe that highlights beef, and that's always good here in Nebraska. Joining me now with more is Anita Keys. Anita, what do you have for us?
Okay, so today we're gonna have a new way to make that burger. And with grilling season hopefully coming soon, this could be done on the grill as well. So you take a tortilla, and they can be really large depending on how big you want to make your hamburger. So the first thing you do, actually, you take your sauces. If you like ketchup or mustard, or I've got some other fun sauces that we like. And I've learned it kind of works better to put this on the tortilla first and then put the patty on it. So you've got your sauce, you've got your burger, a slice of cheese. Then I like to put a little bacon on it, put some pickles on it. You can even put, depending on the time of year, you could put, like I could see a slice of fresh tomato on there or some lettuce on there. You could put guacamole on there. Some people like to put jalapeno jelly on there. Just all kinds of ways you can spice this up, whatever you like. And then you can top it with chips. You can actually put chips right on top of it here. And then you cover it up with a smaller tortilla. Okay, so then you take and you pull up the sides of this and you like wrap this up, which is why you want the bottom one to be bigger than the top. And you need these to be kind of soft so they don't crumble when you're pulling this all together. So then you take this, I always flip it over and put it in your fry pan, or you could do this on your grill as well. Do a little bit on both sides. I would have the hamburger hot before you do this, because this is not going to cook your hamburger. The hamburger had to be cooked beforehand. Then you flip it over, you take it off the grill or off your fry pan, you cut it in half. If you make them really large, you could divide it up among the kids, however you want to do that. So anyway, and it adds a little crispy crunch to your burger, just a new way to up the burger system. So enjoy that.
Very good. All right, a very creative way to enjoy a burger. Thank you very much, Anita, for being here today.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.